yes. Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Tonight I have a sandwich video for you. That's right. I'm going to show you how to prepare a New England type of lobster roll. A New England lobster roll. That's right. I'll be using fresh lobster tails, a brioche bun, some fresh whole butter, and sea salt. Really, that's about it. It's delicious. Super simple, super delicious. I don't make them often because they're so decadent. But let me tell you, if you love lobster, you're going to love this sandwich. So, lobster roll. Let's check out these ingredients. Alright folks, here's our ingredients for our lobster roll. I'll be using 3 4-ounce lobster tails that are beautiful, a couple brioche buns, some whole butter. We're going to garnish with some chopped parsley. We're going to use some good old-fashioned sea salt. We're going to steam our lobster tails, so we're going to use this steamer right here. And here's our pot. I have the heat already on, and I have enough water to come up to the bottom of the steamer. And I went ahead and added a dash of sea salt. So I'm just going to add the steamer, and to help it come up to temperature, I'm going to go ahead and place the lid on it. We're going to give that a couple minutes, and once it comes up to a boil, we're going to add our lobster tails. Excellent! New England lobster rolls. Let's get them cooking. Alright, let's chop some parsley, and here's our parsley bushel. So I just want to twist it in itself just like that. And really, I'm just going to pass the knife once. And that's fine right there. Beautiful. Let's move on. Alright, so our pot has come up to a boil, so nice and steamy action in there. So let's go ahead and add our lobster tails. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and steam them for 12 minutes. No more than 12 minutes. These are 4 ounces, so they could, once they hit 10 minutes, they're probably done. So I'll be checking them. So no more than 12 minutes in that steamer. Also, this is a good time to turn your oven on at 350 degrees. That's where we're going to warm up our buns. Alright, it's been 12 minutes. I have an ice bath here. So let's take these out. Right out of the steamer and into our ice bath. And the ice bath is very important, so we want to cool them down immediately, otherwise they'll be overcooked, and you don't want to overcook these beautiful lobster tails. Turn off the steamer, and we're just going to let them hang out in this ice water. They can get down, cool down, and we're going to go ahead and peel them. Also, right now is a good time to gently melt some butter. I have a half a stick of butter right here that I've gently just melted down. You don't want to go too hard with the butter, just nice and gentle so you don't break it too bad. Excellent. Alright, now it's time to peel these lobsters, and this is, you got to pay attention to this. So I'm going to grab our lobster tail. So we need to peel them out of the shell keeping that lobster meat intact. Okay, see if I'm on frame. Yes, I am. Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to just crush them like so. See that? Just like that. And let's go through, let's do them all right now. It's okay if you crack the shell, that's fine. Okay. Now let's get rid of the towel.
Alright, let's peel them. I'm going to go ahead and start removing the legs. And take your time when you're peeling them. Because the trick is to remove the tail meat in one piece. Easy does it. Come on, baby. Sometimes they'll stick, sometimes they come off real easy. Come on, baby. Okay, I'm going to go to the back and really start peeling off the shell from the back. Alright, here we go. Come on, baby. That was not too bad. Come on, darling. Yeah, take your time. And be thorough with the fragments of the shell. You gotta be sure you... Easy does it. Come on, darling. Come on. Sometimes they come off really, really nice. Sometimes they give you a hard time. Almost done here. Oh yeah, we're almost done. Come on, darling. This one's looking pretty nice. Beautiful. And there she is right here. Excellent. Get a paper towel. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the other two.
Alright, so I went ahead and I cut them in half and I cleaned them. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to cut them right at the seam. Let me see if I can get them right on frame for you. Yes. Just like that, right down the segments. See that? Right down the segments. Again, right down the segments. That's a beautiful looking tail. Alright. So our butter is melted. Now we're going to add these to the melted butter with a little bit of sea salt. Alright, let's butter our buns. So here's our melted butter. Here's our buns, and we're simply just going to butter the inside of the bun. Alright, so we're going to heat up our buns, and I'm going to go ahead and just brush them on top too for S and giggles. Beautiful. Now to the butter, I'm going to go ahead and add the lobster meat with just a little smidgen of some sea salt. I'm going to put back on the fire and just gently warm up the lobster meat in the butter. And again, gently warm up the lobster meat in the butter because the lobster's already cooked. We just want to warm her back up. Excellent. We're almost done. All right, folks, our buns are nice and toasty. Our lobster is warm and buttery. So now I'm just basically going to split the lobster meat between both rolls. Then we're going to give it a taste. Excellent. All right. You can see these. Beautiful. Let's give it a taste. Let's see here. I'm gonna add just a squeeze of lemon. To cut through all that richness, the butter, the lobster. Cheers. Man, that was delicious. That succulent, buttery lobster up against that brioche, sea salt and the lemon juice. Man, that was nice. You do need a drink though, because it's awfully rich. Wow. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and make this at home. If you love lobster, you can't go wrong. The trick is finding the rolls, the brioche. You could even order the original lobster rolls online if you like. And if I remember, they were buttery and kind of sweet, kind of brioche. But nonetheless, they were very good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for stopping by. And we'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.